Hello student, welcome to Mix Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the cutoff which is released by HAL Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for design training and management training for different branches like mechanical, electrical and electronics, all the other branches as well, which is available through RTI. So we will discuss deeply with what was the analysis and how you can prepare for the going ahead all the examination. So you need to stay at the end of the video, and if you have any type of doubt, do mention in the comment box. So let's begin with the videos. Recently HAL has conducted the examination. Within a short period they have released the scorecard for the shortlisting of candidate. Even though they have not released the score, but they have mentioned that what was the candidate who is qualified for the written examination and who is selected for the interview round, and after that they have released the final result as well. Even though HPCL has conducted the same examination on the same date, but he has not released the result as well. Now HAL has released the examination result and final joining letter will be coming very soon. So what was the minimum cutoff for mechanical engineering? The first few of the candidates is filed the RTI against them and requested for the cutoff for management training and design training. The first RTI raised by a student for the mechanical stream. What is the cutoff score for the shortlisted candidate for the interview under mechanical branch for design training? They have said that the cutoff marks for online selection test for the post of design training mechanical for the general candidate it is 135 out of 160 and 123 marks for EWS, OBC NCL 121, ST 110 and SC 114 marks. Going ahead with the next one, what was the cutoff score for the shortlisting candidate of interview for the mechanical branch for management training? The cutoff marks for the online selection test for the post of management trainee in mechanical general candidate has 134 marks, EWS candidate 119 marks, OBC 126, SC 114, ST 113 out of 160 marks. If you check that, here general candidate has scored 135 marks for design training, and here for the management training 134 marks. If you check the number of seats for design training, number of seats are more as compared to management training. So if you observe that the number of seats are more, then cutoff is also more, even though because number of people who is apply for design training is more as compared to management training. So remember that if the number of seats are more, the number of people who is applying for that seat is also more. So and cutoff is also going too high at that point of time. Going with the next stream, if you are not a mechanical student, then you can leave the videos, just do like for our videos. And for the other branches like electronic, they have mentioned that the total marks for obtain like a candidate was 160. There is no normalization for mechanical. Similarly for the other branches like electronic as well. Please inform me the cutoff marks for general, EWS, SC, ST and OBC candidate for the design training in the electronic branch. So the cutoff marks for online selection test for the post of design training electronics for the SC candidate are 104, ST 103, OBC 112, EWS 109 and general candidate was 118. And there is no normalization criteria in electronic department for the examination which is conducted by HAL. So if you observe that as compared to mechanical, electronic are less, because in mechanical 135, 134 as compared to electronic only 118, because the number of aspirants which is coming from electronic are less as compared to mechanical. So going ahead, if any of the branch is applying to any of the posts, just take care how many posts and how many number of applicant who is applying. If the number of applicant are more, then prepare accordingly, because the cutoff is also going too high. So you need to prepare in such a way that you are eligible to qualify that examination, because coming there are too many examinations is coming right now. Like if you observe that BDL is already, MOIL is already coming with that, REITs is also coming without a gate, and too many examinations are already having. So you need to go with the accordingly based on a syllabus they have mentioned in the official websites. So if you want to any help from our end, do mention in the comment box. If you have any type of doubt or give your feedback to our videos, mention in the comment box. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel for this type of video and share with your friend. Thanks for watching.